The Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro have finally arrived and they're already stirring up massive hype, with some people calling them the AirPods Pro 2 killer. But is that really the case, or is it just marketing noise? Today I'm giving you my full hands-on impressions and honest thoughts so you can decide if these earbuds are worth your money or if you should stick with what you already have. Right out of the box, the Buds 3 Pro feel like a serious step forward for Samsung. Gone is the bean-shaped design we saw in previous models. Instead you get a sleek stem design that clearly takes inspiration from AirPods, but with a sharper, more futuristic edge that makes them stand out. The metallic finish looks premium and the build quality feels solid without being heavy. And comfort-wise I was impressed. I wore them for over 3 hours straight without that annoying pressure you sometimes get with in-ear buds. The fit is snug and secure enough for workouts but still relaxed enough for casual listening. Now here's where things start getting interesting. The sound quality. Samsung packed in a dual driver system this time and the result is a much richer audio profile. The bass is deep without being muddy. Mids are clear, and the highs have just the right sparkle without feeling harsh. Compared to the AirPods Pro 2, I'd say the Buds 3 Pro have a slightly warmer and fuller sound, which makes them great for pop, hip-hop, and even podcasts. But here's the game changer. The active noise cancellation. Samsung has seriously leveled up here. It blocks out subway noise, airplane hum, and even chatter in a coffee shop better than any Galaxy Buds before it. And in my tests it was right on par with Apple's ANC, maybe even edging it out in some scenarios. Transparency mode also got an upgrade and it's super natural sounding. It's like you're not even wearing earbuds. Plus Samsung added this cool voice detect feature that automatically lowers your media volume when you start talking, making quick conversations effortless. Battery life is another strong point. I got around 7 hours on a single charge with ANC on and over 30 hours with the case, which is slightly better than AirPods Pro 2. The case itself is compact, pocket-friendly, and supports both USB-C and wireless charging. And for Galaxy phone owners you also get that seamless auto switching and low latency gaming mode. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Should you get these over AirPods Pro 2? If you're an iPhone user, the AirPods still have the edge in terms of seamless iOS integration. Features like spatial audio with head tracking just work better in Apple's ecosystem. But if you're on Android, especially a Samsung device, the Buds 3 Pro are the clear winner. They sound amazing. The ANC is top tier, and the new design finally looks premium enough to compete directly with Apple. Plus they're coming in at a slightly lower price than the AirPods Pro 2, which makes them even more tempting. After using them for a few days, my takeaway is simple. Samsung didn't just catch up. They might have actually pulled ahead in some areas. If you value sound quality, battery life, and comfort, these are a no-brainer. And if you're already in the Galaxy ecosystem, they're basically the perfect match. So the question isn't really whether they can destroy AirPods Pro 2, it's whether Apple is ready for the fact that Samsung just set a new standard for premium earbuds in 2025. And trust me, competition like this is only going to push both brands to keep improving, which is great news for all of us who love our tech. Now the only thing left is to see how Apple responds. But for now, the Buds 3 Pro are a serious contender and easily one of the best earbuds you can buy this year.